Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload high quality reels on Instagram. So my first tip would be to go on your profile and click on the tab on the upper right corner and click settings. Click on the account, scroll down and click on cellular data use. Now you want to set it and upload at the highest quality. And by this, your images and videos that you uploaded will be on a high quality. Second tip is you can compress and edit the selected videos on your reels on any video editing app you wish to use. Once you compress your videos, and by doing this, you will be avoid using the Instagram editor for reels. And by that, you can also add text on your videos rather than using the text area tool on Instagram to improve the quality of your reel. By doing this, the quality of your video will not be affected once it is uploaded on the Instagram app. Now, my next tip would also be once you select the video you wish to upload for your reel, once you edit it, I highly suggest to avoid using these filters on your videos for the reel since this affects and might get your video pixelated. I also suggest to avoid using the text area tool on Instagram. If you want to put text on your videos for your reels, you might do it on the video editing app you used in compressing your videos. I also suggest to avoid putting stickers on your reels to avoid pixel edges on the stickers of the video. If you think this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button for more tutorials. Thanks for watching!